Okay mga anak.
So her parents would really wish her a very successful and fruitful future. As we all know, as the time passes by, the boys will learn that year as it passes by, the year passes by. So, just like allow for their daughter, as the time passes by, it grew to be a very more passionate than before. So ladies and gentlemen, the family will share a toast to everyone. Thank you very much.
May we ask the following persons to present their gifts to the debutant and give a message. Will take charge.
Hi, finish my gift is sumbalan din sa inyo. Dahil lang ako kapagpapagay, ha?
Mr. Robertson.
Mrs. Imelda Arabala, the fourth year high school advisor of the Debbie.
My gift is related to one of the events in your fourth year life na murag bulutad ka. Sa tumandar na ka ba? So, I hope you will be soaring high in your dreams and achieve your goals in life. Happy birthday.
Mrs. Thelma Fabre, the Filipino high school teacher of the debutant.
Good evening, everyone. My dear Stephanie, happy 11th birthday. I wish you good luck, good health, more happiness, and success throughout the years. I know you are now facing the new challenges happiness in your life. This vision will help you and guide you to move on and enjoy life to the fullest. Happy birthday.
TLE High School Teacher of the Debutant, Mr. and Mrs. Tagaan.
Especially though you would not have me for 4 years in high school, but I have known you because of my wife. I'd like to say happy birthday and God bless in all your activities.
Stephanie, happy birthday. My message is enjoy life to the fullest because it is God's gift. I would like you to put God in the center of your life because I know that He has a good plan for you. Let God and let love and faithfulness overlead you. Bind them around your neck. Write them in the tablet of your heart. I also have here a gift, a Bible. My gift for you because I know this is your greatest secret or success. God bless you. Mommy Shirley and Mommy Renee.
Happy birthday. May God shower His blessings to you now and forever. Mr. John Halasa, Kopare of the Debutant's brother and also lucky brother to the Debutant.
Children, happy birthday. My gift to you is something that you really treasure kasi every day of your life, you've been nakita down these things, which is one of the few things na you really shouldn't treasure. Ikaw na siguro later, pero yeah, I'm sure you will like this gift. Happy birthday.
I have a little something for you na magamit din mo siya whenever ka maglaglag. I wish you longevity in life and success in the future. I hope that you will take care of yourself. Good luck and happy birthday.
Mr. Darrell Anthony Balbin, a longtime friend of the Debutant.
This birthday show, ang gift kay something that reminds you about how we became friends.
Toby, our gift to you is for angels. As we all know, angels are spiritual beings intermediate from God to mankind. I know in your own life there are so many angels, no? So I hope you yourself will become angels also